Hello, this is Jem again at NGM Modeling. Today I have kind of a different video for you. I'm gonna take you with me during the day so you can see what a model eats in a day. So come with me and I'm gonna show you what I'm having for breakfast.
So the first thing I do in the morning is to take hot water and I put half of a lemon on it. Sometimes if the lemon is too small or I feel like it, I put the other half. I drink it and then I wait 30 minutes before I take my breakfast while I do my cardio. Now, for breakfast, I take some eggs made out with onions and greens, also some avocado and a salad made out of tomato and cucumbers. It makes me really satisfied and give me a lot of energy. What I do is that I cut all the greens and I mix it with the eggs. Then I wash very well the tomatoes and the cucumbers. I cut them. I mix them and then I add some salt and also some lemon. If it's a big avocado, then I eat like the half of the half, but if it's small, I eat half of the avocado. And then I cook the eggs and it's ready. This is normally my breakfast, and also I can't forget about the water. I get hungry before lunch, so what I do is that I take some fruits. This time I'm taking an orange mandarin. It's really good and it's really refreshing and it makes me satisfied before lunch.
It's lunchtime, my favorite meal of the day. This is my favorite because I can eat whatever I want because it's like 12:45. I have a lot of things left to do during the day, so I can eat a lot of carbs, a lot of everything I want because I have all the day to burn those calories. So let's see what I'm having today and let's cook together.
For lunch, I love taking some carbs. This time I'm taking sweet potato and also eggplant. I'm taking my protein as chicken and also a bunch of greens as salad. So what I do is that I wash them very well and then I cut them in circles and I put them in the oven with some salt, a little bit of olive oil, and that's it. In the oven, I put them 350 Celsius for about 25 minutes. While it's cooking, I start cleaning up the chicken. I only take the breast and I take the size of my hand when it's not cooked, and that's what I eat. For dressing or for cooking it, I add some garlic sauce and also some soy sauce, and it tastes really good. Also, of course, some salt. And I also put them in the oven for about an hour or 40 minutes. I go check and I see how much it takes. While all of this is cooking, I grab all the greens I have on my fridge and I make sure that I wash them very well because I don't want to get sick or anything. And then I cut them in really small pieces. And I like to add some carrots and tomatoes, cucumbers, everything I have on my fridge really. I mix all of this and I add some lemon, salt and olive oil. And this is the final result. This is my lunch: chicken, eggplant, sweet potatoes and salad. Have a good one. It's like 4 p.m. and I got hungry, so I took some tuna, avocado, and I was too hungry, so I took some nuts as well. Now it's time for training. I normally do the cardio during the morning and then in the afternoon I lift some weights. If you would like to see my workout routine, just let me know in the comments and I will show you in another video.
I'm just back home from my workout routine and now we're gonna see what we're gonna have for dinner. So let's go and let's see what I'm having today.
I'm not doing so much activity during the night, so I'm just taking a tuna salad made out of greens, tomatoes, and tuna. And that's it.
And that was it for today's video. I hope you like this video and you enjoy it and it helps you to find your own way to do your diet. This is normally what I eat in a day. Obviously, I don't do this every day. I try to change the food so I don't get bored, but normally that's what I eat: carbs, protein, fruits, and everything that gets me healthy and give me energy during the day so I can have good health and look good as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, NGM Modeling, and also to my channel, Siendo Gem. I always post this kind of videos so you can see more of this on my channel. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, NGM Modeling and Siendo Gem. And don't forget to share this video with a friend. That's all for today and see you next time. Bye bye!